What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the first video of 2023, and also about a week ago, it's been 4 years since I started the ReaperGT YouTube channel, and God, it's been an amazing 4 years. We are almost to 6,000 subscribers, almost to 700,000 total views on the channel. Guys, I am forever grateful for you guys, and I know I've been slacking bad. You guys have known what's been going on with me. If you haven't, you'll see in the last few videos I made, I explained why I've been absent, but lately because it's been cold. But I'm being a man today. It's a little windy. It's cold, but you know what? I'm out here filming anyways. It's almost about to get dark also, which really sucks. But yeah, we're gonna film a video anyways. So the last video I uploaded, you guys loved it because it's just basically a simple video, which is surprising. I mean, that video got over 1,000 views, and I haven't gotten over 1,000 views in a good while. And yeah, all I did was drive around and take pictures with Kyle. So you guys say you love driving around videos, so we'll get to that here in a second, but let's get to the main topic of the video. Two valves are slow from factory. That is a known fact. They're like 220 horsepower to the wheels stock. So I know a lot of you guys want to push the max power out of your two valve as possible. So I'm gonna give you some pointers. This is gonna be pricey. This is a pricey video. This is no budget friendly video, but you guys want to push power in your car. So if you want to push power on your stock bottom end stock motor two valve, I'm gonna show it to you. If you're new here, you don't know what it is, but if you're already here, if you've been here, you know what it is. So let's see what's under the hood. So here's my 2.1 liter Kenny Bell. So yeah, this is the best way to push power in these cars, and it's so worth it. It makes a world of difference. I swear to God it does. My God, it is warm under here. Ah, my hands are frozen right now. But yeah, this is one of the many options of making over 400 horsepower in your two valve. This is one of my favorite options because the Kenny Bells, if you can buy literally the full kit. The kit comes with injectors, boost to pump. It comes with everything you absolutely need, minus the tune. The only thing you need to buy after is the tune. And even Kenny Bell, which I don't really recommend their chips, they do, you can order a chip along with the kit. It's like an extra 400 bucks. I don't recommend it because you can't get any revisions on it. Once the chip is programmed, it's programmed. So if your car is running a little rich or a little lean, it needs a little tuning. There's no way of tuning that chip. Plugs into your ECU. To me, it's not worth it. I'd rather just go get a remote tune, or even a dyno tune, and even a dyno tune would be even better. Right now, I'm on a remote tune, which the remote tune's been great. The car runs a little bit rich for what it should. Woodbine is the one that tuned my car, and he did an amazing job. He tuned it rich because that's the safest possible tune. So the other options, there's a kit called the Torque Tech kit, which it doesn't come with everything. It just comes with the adapter to be able to bolt the blower on, but it doesn't come with the blower, the injectors, the booster pump, the extra upgrade fuel pump. It doesn't come with any of that. So it's a little bit of a cheaper kit, but you still gotta buy the injectors. Still gotta buy the also the one thing that the Kenny Bell doesn't come with is the spark plugs. It doesn't come with those. Other than that, the spark plugs are like 25 bucks. I got the TR6 NGKs. But yeah, with the Torque Tech kit, the one thing I do like about the Torque Tech kit, which I don't have out the Kenny Bell kit, the Torque Tech kit, you can add any style blower to your car. You can add I believe you can add up to a Whipple. You can add an Eaton. You can add pretty much any blower, even a VMP, I believe. It pretty much works with almost any blower that would work on a Terminator per se. So yeah, it's basically, I do like that kit. I would have gone with the Torque Tech kit if this one didn't pop up because there's many more options. But I like this kit because it comes with literally everything. So this kit, I practically paid $4 grand. I paid $3 grand cash plus a 4 valve, which I was going to put a 4 valve in this. But when I got the 4 valve, I didn't realize it's the different style head, so a Terminator blower wouldn't bolt right up to it. It was a 98 Cobra motor. I just like, you know what? I kind of lost interest in that. This gave me more power. I would have been at like 280, 300 to the wheels with the 4 valve, which would have been more power than what the stock 2 valve was pushing. But this is clearly the better option to me, so I traded my motor plus $3,000, which I technically paid around what am I saying I practically paid like $1 grand for the 4 valve, so it adds up to around $4,000 basically invested into this kit. And yes, supercharging your car on stock internals, even with you know, the stronger manly rods and pistons, you're still gonna run into issues because you went from a super reliable 4.6 that was stock that could take a beating to something that won't take the beating as well. I've did a motor swap on this thing. This has the 2005 Explorer motor in it, which is actually, to me, I've noticed more power out of it. And the Explorer motors are also aluminum blocks, which cool off a lot quicker, and they are lighter. Of course, the other options, you don't have to go Kenny Bell, you don't have to go Torque Tech, you can go, what is it, Pro Charger, you can go Vortec. There's so many more options. The Vortex and Pro Charger setups I do like. I actually almost traded my Kenny Bell for a Vortex setup, like a straight trade. But I'm like, at the same time, I love the whine, but at the same time, a blow off of like a Pro Charger would sound insane too. So, I don't know, I mean, I just love the root style superchargers. Maybe if I get another 2-valve or another Mustang that's a GT or a 5.0 or something like that, I may go Pro Charger and do something different. But for now, I'm gonna stick with my root style. Plus, just look at it, man. It's just so clean looking. I mean, it just looks so good. But yeah, guys, that is my 400 plus horsepower 2-valve Mustang GT. Car is insane. I love this car to death. Oh my god, it sounds so good. The whine with the whine mod and all that stuff, it just goes so perfect. I love this car to death, and I know a lot of you guys do too, but oh my god. And the car has been changing a little bit, like with the tail lights, and I may be changing the wing to a sailing wing because my ex-fiance wrecked her 2-valve, which is not funny really. I mean, yeah, she wrecked her 2-valve, and I bought her a sailing wing, and we was literally about to make a video of installing the wing on her car before she left me. But you know what? I'm kind of glad I can get to use the wing because I think it would look really good on here. Plus the paint on my spoiler's chipping. So yeah, we're gonna switch that up. But yeah, guys, I'd say we ought to go ahead and get some driving content in. I got my GoPro charging. Hopefully it's charged enough. If not, I'll let it charge a little bit more before I hit the road. And after this, I think we're gonna hit the gym. And yes, I got a gym membership. I'm no longer gonna be that skinny dude. So yeah.